Hello, everyone. If you're looking to take control of your finances, budgeting is the perfect place to start. Whether you're a complete beginner or just need a quick refresher, I'm going to guide you through a simple step-by-step process to create a budget that works for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Calculate your income. The first thing you need to do is calculate your monthly income. This includes everything: your salary, side jobs, freelance work, and even any passive income. For example, let's say your total monthly income is $2,500. Step 2. List your fixed expenses. Next, list out your fixed expenses. These are the bills that stay the same every month, like rent, mortgage, $800, utilities, electricity, water, internet, $150, insurance, health, car, etc., $100, subscriptions, Netflix, Spotify, etc., $50, loan payments, $200. So in this example, your total fixed expenses would be $1,300. Step 3. Estimate your variable expenses. Now let's look at your variable expenses, things that change each month. These include groceries, $250, transportation, $100, entertainment, $100, dining out, $100, miscellaneous, $150. In total, your variable expenses add up to $700. These are areas where you can cut back if needed. Step 4. Plan for savings and debt repayment. It's so important to pay yourself first. Set aside 10 to 20% of your income for savings. In this example, that would be $250. Also, if you have debt, try to make extra payments. An extra $100 on a loan or credit card each month can help pay it off faster and reduce the amount you owe in the long run. Step 5. Create a buffer for emergencies. Don't forget to set aside a small emergency fund. Even if it's just $50 per month, it adds up and can help cover unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or anything life throws your way. Step 6. Track and adjust your budget. Lastly, keep track of your spending. You can use apps like Mint or YNAB, or even just a simple spreadsheet. Remember, your budget isn't set in stone. It's a living plan. If you find yourself overspending in one area, adjust it to fit your actual habits and goals. That's it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your finances and reducing financial stress. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or tips. Let's help each other stay on track financially.